Hi, Pamela Wagner here, founder of Ajala Digital, a Google partner, Google certified, and university lecturer in Google Ads and Analytics. Are your search campaigns or video campaigns not working as they should or not bringing you the desired results that you're expecting? If so, then there are probably three reasons for that. The first one is the campaign setup. A lot of times people are really excited to get started with campaigns and they're motivated and they really try their best. But Google Ads can be really complicated. There are so many settings and so many options, and it's so easy to miss buttons, right? So what do you click on? What's going to have what effect? It can be really, really confusing. The second step or reason why your campaigns may not bringing you the desired results is most likely the funnel or the landing page that's following. And that's understandable as well, because as a company owner, marketing manager, or a marketing intern and so on, you have seen the landing page 1,000 times. You probably don't see the forest for the trees anymore. And that's only natural, right? So we're going to look into that. We're going to take a deep dive and make sure that you understand exactly what it is that you need to improve, and that's going to bring you 2, 3, maybe even 5 times the results that you've had before. And the third step is proper tracking, right? Because we can only measure what we can track, and we can only say something has improved if it's been tracking correctly. So how do you set up proper tracking, right? How do you make sure that the conversions are properly being allocated? Even in times where, you may have limitations through GDPR or, wherever you are based, in 90% of the cases when new clients come to us, their tracking isn't working properly. Maybe too many codes on the website, right? Or they don't own their data. That's a huge issue as well, like not owning your own Google Ads or Analytics account, right? So we're going to make sure that you have absolute clarity on what you should track. Is that really the right thing to do? Does it really make sense to track that in certain campaigns? Or what may be different steps to take first to optimize before you then aim for that final conversion, right? So this workshop is for everybody who's already got their campaign set up. We sometimes also have people who've been in the industry for 5, 6, 7 years and are looking to get that fresh insight, right? Or maybe you've been very engaged for a year or two, or you've just started with your first campaigns and you want to make sure that you get the most out of them, right? So one of our clients phrased it very beautifully, is, just taking that step and engaging with us has saved him $200,000, and he wished that he had engaged with us much earlier, right? So the workshop is about 3 hours with impact that's probably going to last a whole lifetime of your career, and is going to ideally bring you returns that are way beyond that, right? So save your spot if there's still some left by the time that you see this, which I hope. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the workshop and sharing knowledge from working with over 3,000 advertisers all around the world with you and helping you succeed on Google Ads as well.